most extraordinary places I've ever seen. If you ever dream of adventure, mixed with the wonder of what it feels like to travel completely on your own in an incredible and unique experience, to explore and discover not only new places, but a new you. Let's adventure, everyone! Welcome to my Utah Mighty 5 Season 4. 5 national parks in 5 days and over 500 miles on my own, traveling in a camper van.
And for the first time, what your guys' view on this camera will be. And see how this camera is gonna capture everything for you all. So I'll be the crazy person in the neighborhood. Who cares? Let's go.
And here's why you should subscribe and stay tuned to follow with us this season. Not only I'm taking you through all the tips and most incredible adventures in the 5 mighty national parks in Utah. And if you don't know what they are, you're gonna learn about them here. Arches, Canyonlands, Capitol Reef, Bryce, and the unforgettable Zion. And some extra state parks and viewpoints in between. Why not? You're gonna go through my struggles and the fears I had on this trip since I was traveling in the highest heat of the year.
Man, this is really hot, y'all.
High elevation, possible wild animal encounters, dealing with all sorts of unexpected, and doing it all alone in a rental camper van, facing my fears. This season is more than travel inspiration. It's pure life inspiration and an injection of courage if you've been waiting for your moment to hit the road and travel solo too. Every Sunday, a new episode, new park, and new adventure. And on Fridays, it's the new day for our community to connect, where I'll give you all the tips to plan for your travel, to plan to do it solo, and I'll answer all the questions you have. Join me for Fearless Fridays weekly.
This challenge is amazing. I didn't know that what I can do.
And the best way to road trip is with some good snacks. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, grab some popcorn and your favorite drink, and I'll see you next Sunday, adventurers.
For mine, the issue is that the leverage to flush the toilet was broken. Every time I use the sink, it leaks underneath the sink here. This is a true nightmare. It's like how they don't check before someone rent. I'm so pissed. All right, the people at A store knew much better how to put the propane. Cheers, everyone, and here's the story about wine in Utah. For me, that's playground for adults. That was my Disneyland right there. This is no joke. I found a nice rock to sit on and have a little energy snack. So I gotta say, this order we nailed down. We're right back at the boondocking situation. It's always a nervous night. So this is how boondocking goes. I stopped at the first place. And I don't know, I got very weird vibes about it. And I parked the van in this massive parking lot. And I have no clue where the van is right now. Great. So I guess that's my hike for the night.